When we first saw this house, it was a good house for smaller children.
We have 3 wonderful sons, but they are adults now with their own families. Our kids are all moving, so why can't we move too?
But there's something to be said for the continuity of having a place to come back to.
But we can make new memories in a new house. This house has not had a renovation since they built the place. That kitchen has been a nightmare. I hate those cabinets. I have to get on my hands and knees to even find anything.
But you can replace cabinets.
There's no room to move in that kitchen. The table is so small, you just can't have a social space in there. The living room just doesn't work for us anymore. If we have guests over, people are in the way, it's just so cramped.
If we get a sledgehammer and knock down that wall, we'll have your problem solved.
We're at the retirement stage. You're supposed to be able to relax, not go through a whole renovation.
I realize you're retired now, but I'm not.
We have no storage in the house. We can only have 1 guest at a time because the other room is pretty much a junk room, and I have to practically fight my way to find the tanning bed every morning.
Well, again, if we get that bedroom back, then we can put a day bed in that room so that we can have additional guests.
And then what do we do with my tanning bed?
There'll be room for your tanning bed.
There'll always be room for my tanning bed.
The thing that really draws me to staying here is this pool.
But when guests walk through my kitchen to the bathroom, feet are wet. I'm constantly trying to get something cleaned up in the floor space. It's just not working for us anymore.
But with a few fixes, that problem can be solved.
So, we've been through your house. And on the face of it, it kind of seems like a house that should work. But I have to imagine I'm here for a reason. And there's got to be issues beyond having a proper dining room or a noisy traffic.
I'm retired, and when we want to entertain, there's no space.
So, I knew there had to be
I don't see that as a
something.
problem, David, because they're big rooms. Large rooms gives you an opportunity to reconfigure things.
You're right. There's an enormous amount of space that can be repurposed.
So, I've done an evaluation on your home, and current value is $175,000.
Is that all?
That's based on current sales in this
Seriously?
neighborhood. What I need to know now is what are the must-have lists to get you out of this house?
We have to have 3 bedrooms and an office for Stu, 2.5 bathrooms, lots of storage, a pool, a gourmet open concept kitchen and living space. It has to be close to my work and a large garage.
Okay, what is the budget for the new house?
$250,000 to $300,000.
Wow.
But the truth of the matter is the list that you're giving me is going to be very tough.
The real problem is not only does it have to have those things, you're going to have to satisfy him.
I can do this.
This is a home that you've been very happy in for many years. It just
It's full of
reeks
memories.
of
Absolutely.
happiness. Tell me what you need to make this house into the place you want to stay.
We need an open concept living space, renovate the kitchen, update the master bath, add a bathroom close to the pool area, 4-season room for entertaining, increased storage, new flooring throughout, carport, and a larger laundry room.
Okay, that's quite the list. Here's the big question. How much do I have to spend?
$95,000.
I think it's fantastic that you're willing to come up with $95,000. And yet I can tell you right now off the bat, it's not going to get you everything that you're asking me for. The stuff you're asking me for inside this house and connection to the pool, those make sense. A carport does not. Sorry, let go of the carport, because it's not going to happen. Not if you want me to do the work that I really need to do.
Then you really have a lot of magic to work for $95,000
I do.
if you want me to stay in this house.
And I know that. When I am done, I'm going to make this house work for you, and you're going to love it.
I have a feeling we're going to list it.
Like he said, once I find you the perfect house, you're going to list it.
Right. All right, well, let's get to work.
All right, guys. We'll see you soon.
We'll see
Bye
you.
now.
Bye.
It's good to see you.
Uptown, the renovation of Stu and Alan's home is in full swing. As the crew opens up the wall to the family room and replaces the old electrical. And Alan and Stu return for their first look. Post-demo.
As you can see, I'm already starting some work here that you are not allowed to look at.
Okay.
So eyes forward.
All right.
Let's talk about your needs and wants The real issue here is you loving the pool, loving entertaining, and not wanting your guests or family to pad through the house with soggy wet feet when they need to come in and use the bathroom.
Yes.
So here's my solution. That will no longer be your bathroom. The window will turn into a door with access to the exterior, no more traipsing through your house. That wall now gets closed off.
Interesting.
Now, I am combining this room and your guest room into one, so can't wait. I can see your face already, Stu, but just bear with me, all right? This has now been taken down and we create one huge room that will incorporate 2 amazing closets coming on into a dream bathroom.
Interesting.
You now have a massive master. This is a way of giving you everything that you wanted, plus your guests get the bathroom to come in and out. Okay, well, let's just go and look in the bedroom again.
So I'm losing a bedroom?
Well, I think you're both losing a bedroom. What I described to you is pretty pricey. Now, I can do this master suite or I can do your Florida room, but I cannot do both.
That space out there is so important to us. That's a must-have.
But I don't have an issue with the bathroom being accessible outside for guests.
Okay, but
I'm not going to convince him on this one.
No.
He's really solid.
Okay. So, you are going to keep the bathroom the way it is, other than adding the extra access from the pool area. We're leaving the master and guest room the way they are, and we're doing the Florida room.
That's fun.
All right then. Bye.
You gotta find me some more storage somehow.
Where? I'll see what I can do, I promise.
Thank you.
Okay.
Prices in this area are conducive to their budget. Now, in terms of the house, it's got the 3 bedrooms they need, it's got a bonus space, it's got 3.5 bathrooms, it's got an open concept style kitchen I think they're gonna love, and a fantastic pool, just a 5-minute walk from here that Stu and Alan's friends are going to love. Let's hope this goes well.
Morning, David.
Good morning, how are you?
Hey, David.
Find the place no problem?
It's a little far out.
I'm glad I had a full tank of gas.
If you were to drive from where you are now to the city, it would take
Right.
you about 40 minutes. From here, it's about 25.
Okay,
Let's go see this
I
house.
see it.
After you.
Very beautiful floors.
Townhouse. Nothing to do. This is a move-in ready house. And really, that's kind of in an effort to give you guys more time to do the things that you want to do.
Like driving to work.
Yes. This is your formal dining room area, which is right off your kitchen.
That's convenient.
I like the connection between the kitchen, the dining room, and the family room.
This is great, David.
I do like the openness of it.
We still got a couple things to look at.
Great.
The laundry.
Okay, this is about the size of what we currently have,
But then you have to carry the laundry down the stairs and then back up the stairs?
Right.
but it's not bad.
So here you have the family room.
I do wish it were a little bit larger since it's the main room that we would be living in and entertaining.
The entertaining is going to be happening everywhere.
I do like that.
And you're going to do a lot of entertaining out here.
Well, this is a nice patio area.
I think this is a very nice setup. You got your lawn area that has potential for a pool.
There's a pool close within walking distance?
Yes, there is. So here you have the 2-car garage that Hilary has X'd off the list.
Yeah, this is a big plus, David. Right now, you're doing very well.
The crew's been making great progress with the Florida room as they create a new entrance and add a door to the bathroom to connect it to the outside. Stu and Alan arrive home to see what Hilary's accomplished inside.
Big change.
Wow.
Doesn't it make a difference?
It does make a big difference.
It's the connection
Right.
and the flow. This is going to be your party space.
This is a real room.
That's true.
I feel that to make this really work, I want to give you a really good full-sized island where you can use it to set out buffets, use it for prep. Your friends can sit around and chit-chat and have a glass of wine while you're slaving away.
Okay.
But I have a bit of an issue with that.
All right.
I know you wanted me to expand your laundry space into a laundry room.
Right.
I actually want to reduce the size so that I put in a stackable. If I can push that wall back, I can increase the opening of that doorway and give you that lovely big island that will work because we'll have flow from both directions.
If we do the stackables, then I'm not going to have anywhere to hang clothes at all.
Look how much bigger this is going to be.
This is the only room that's been increased in size.
I can't create space that isn't here.
Okay, then it's something that I can consider doing if it'll give us more space in the kitchen and we have more room for entertaining.
I think a big island in here, I'm all for it.
Of course you are.
You will be too.
We'll see.
While Hilary gets a tentative green light, and the final house David's found them is hopefully gonna clinch the deal.
Location on this one, I think it's the perfect compromise for Stu and Alan. House-wise, it's fantastic for everyone involved in their life. It's got 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, not quite open concept, but gives them the open space where they need it. 2-car garage. The price, slightly over, but worth every penny. Nice setting, huh?
Yeah.
Great location. 20 minutes to downtown, 20 minutes to work. Is that a workable compromise?
That's good compromise.
Yeah, it splits the difference.
Let's go see it. This is the living room, dining room combination.
Okay,
I love the floors.
lots of space.
Show me more.
All right. Formal dining room. Something you do not currently have.
No, we don't.
You could get a table that would seat 8 or 10 in here.
And right out the dining room, a walk-in pantry.
Wow.
That's nice.
This is huge, David.
All right.
It is more space.
The kitchen.
It is a much larger kitchen than what we have now, and all this additional storage is just amazing.
Yes.
But it's not really an open concept kitchen.
Well, this is how open it is.
Yes.
You walk right in, and you've
Wow.
got this wonderful family room.
This is a huge space.
Bedroom number 1
Wow, this
Of
is a nice size space.
4.
This is bigger than the bedrooms you've shown us before.
The backyard.
Wow, David, this is amazing. Look at this deck, it's huge.
I know, you got a beautiful saltwater pool,
Look at all the grass I have to cut now.
and you've now got a 2-car garage.
2-car,
What Hilary give you?
no car.
Well, we're getting a screen porch.
Can you park your car in a screen porch?
Thank you.
It's the moment of truth for Alan and Stu, who have to decide between a fresh start in a new home or staying where they are.
All right, guys, you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Let's go.
Wow.
Now, this is a kitchen.
I'm at a loss for words in this one.
Look at all the storage.
Yes.
Big pantry.
I love that.
But this is the crowning glory of this kitchen. You now have seating for 6 comfortably and still give you flow.
Really nice.
It's actually the anchor of everything that we have done in this home.
You wowed me.
Now turn and start looking into the living room.
Oh, my goodness.
Wow.
You could literally have 20 people over for dinner. People sitting at the counter here can still talk to people at the dining room.
Right.
You could have seating for everybody. This is a party house.
Definitely.
You remember how upset you were that I had taken 2 feet off of your already quite small laundry room? This is what I came up with.
Wow. You did utilize all the space.
And look, you got your storage on the
Storage
side.
shelves.
It's smaller, but I think it works. It's functional.
Yes.
So this is your old guest room.
Right.
Oh,
my
goodness.
God.
This storage for you?
All the way, open it all the way.
Wow.
Great space for your clothes.
Oh, yeah.
Absolutely.
This is amazing.
It solves your issues.
I like
This
this.
is wonderful.
Here it is.
Oh, wow.
What an amazing place to sit and enjoy the beauty of nature and your gorgeous garden.
It's really, really nice.
This is fantastic.
Decision made?
Decisions
Yes.
made.
And are you going to love it?
Or are you going to list it?
We are going to love it.
Yes, 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 yes.
20 minutes to downtown.
And David, you showed us some amazing houses, and that last one was top notch. But with what the kids did and what you guys have done for us, we couldn't do anything but love it because we have so many memories here.
I'm gonna cry.
And I love the fact that somebody was able to make Stu say, wow.